Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can add green screen on CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply open your CapCut app. So once your CapCut app opens up, you need to simply select a new project or continue the ongoing one. So once your project has been selected, all you need to do is simply tap on the overlay option. So once you tap on overlay, add overlay and add a green screen to your video. So once your green screen has been added, you need to simply scroll to the bottom menu bar. And once you scroll it, you can see an option where you can adjust your green screen. So you need to simply press on the cutout option, press on chroma key, and you need to increase the intensity or decrease it accordingly to your preference. So this is how you add green screen on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.